gonna remove these here hinges off the car. We have our door spring tool that we ordered offline. I believe it was 10 bucks. You know I like to get stuff offline. So you wanna open them up as much as possible. Slide him on there to take the tension off that spring. Let's lock down our spring. All right, got him out of there. I'm gonna undo it. So as you can see, the reason why we gotta cut them out, because the tip of this here pin is flanged out. And that's the only way we could get it. And you see this bushing right here, it's bad. Oh yeah, top and bottom, definitely. So I'm gonna cut that out of there. Spray a little Crowell on it. We got a flat head and a maul hammer.
And get that off the fly, air fly.
Tight right. Alright, so we got our hinge off with our bad pin, and you see how messed up these bushings are. Look at this. Completely destroyed. This one right here is all broken up. I'll probably just leave this on that roller. It'll be alright. This one got a little play in it. So we're gonna set these to the side. And we'll be painting them separate from the car. I need all this prepped up so I can spray some primer on here too. Might try to do that today. Just sanding down some of all this shit on there. You're supposed to clean it like you ain't clean it too good. Alright, since we got the new ones, we'll just change that bottom one as well. I feel a little play in it. Alright, got him out of there. So we just gotta get this bottom one here out of here. He's acting a little stubborn. I'm gonna spray that Crowell on his ass. And as y'all can see, this is what I was talking about. See the end of that pin? It's flanged. So either you grind that down, hammer it all the way out, or either you cut them like we did. Fucking hands, man. Damn. Since he won't be bad. Come back to his ass. Chop these other ones off. right. Go ahead and wrap them off. All right. Definitely gonna need it putting them back. All right, they ain't gonna go back till a salt pan. Y'all see this one here? Be able to pull this one out by hand, and you could tell that this one actually has been changed before. And I'll show you. Look at the end. There's no it's not flanged out of there. The top side come out easy. Alright, let's see about this bottom. See what's going on with him. Put a little curl on there. Alright, look like the bottom side came through, or almost. No action on the top.
It looks like that top one moved.
Same thing. It's been changed before.
All I saw it move. Yeah, it moved.
All right. Alright guys, we got him out of there. We got these old bushings still stuck in there. So we'll leave those in there till we're ready to install this thing. And let's try to get this one out of here. Looks like it's coming, huh?
Thanks for me.
Alright, we got him too.
I just look like this. You don't know? You don't know?
Huh?
I just look like that.
Alright y'all, we got him off there too. See our old bushings off on there? So we're just gonna throw our hinges on our flow, pull these bushings out of here. And next, I need to prep this and lay some primer down, get it cleaned up, and I need to prime that. So that's one bushing out of there.
You hit it on the end, hit it right there. I had that on machine, remember?
Can't paint over that shit.
I had that on machine. I think when I was doing that little brush on there was bad. Yeah, to roll that brush out. You know why you think?
There's two, baby. Alrighty. Yep. Mr. Random here. Make sure you go down, comment, like, subscribe, and share the video, guys. Yep, we got our door pins off. G-Body, Monte Carlo. Paint coming soon, you guys. So stay tuned and make sure you have those notification bells cut on. Mr. Random, we gone.